Today we're going to be looking at some of the outfits that I wore for our Christmas 2020 vacation. Well, if you haven't figured it out by now, obviously I love Disney World, but one of my favorite parts about going is planning my outfits for the trip, because why go to Disney if you can't look the part? So I took this footage right before my trip of all the outfits that I planned on wearing during our Christmas vacation, and when I say right before, it was hours before we left. Probably should have slept more. I'm also including some photos. I'm wearing the outfits in the parks, so hopefully you'll be able to get some great outfit ideas for your next Walt Disney World vacation. Let's get into it. All right, so here is my first outfit. This is what I'm gonna be wearing on the plane. So we have our white V-neck, some comfy black leggings because full comfort on the plane, guys. We've got this ugly sweater because Christmas, and I'm pairing it with these awesome ears. They actually light up. Amazing, right? I've got my white magic band. It's got like the Cinderella castle and Mickey with the Disney D. Then I have these present bow earrings. We're doing the mask thing, people. So I've got my maskless because it's adorable. It's got little Christmas bows and Christmas beads, and then this really cute Christmas mask with all kinds of Disney Christmas things. And these are my new sneakers for the trip. They're Adidas and they're pretty comfy, slip-ons. We'll see how they do. Since we're on the plane too, I'm also going to be wearing my Herschel backpack. This has been loved a little bit, but it's a great backpack. My favorite from the parks. I style it up, add some Disney pins on here. May need to upgrade in a couple trips to a newer Herschel because it's getting a little dirty. I absolutely love this outfit, especially for travel. It was super comfortable. I'm a sucker for ugly sweaters, so it was the perfect addition. And the mask that I wore was really easy for the plane. I did wear a shield on the plane, but the mask was not ill-fitting in any manner, comfortable, but I also felt very safe. I forgot to add in my bathing suits. This was the bathing suit I brought on the trip. It's from Amazon. I wore it on my honeymoon. I love it. I never thought in my entire life I'd wear a two-piece, but I found this two-piece on Amazon. It feels really comfortable. The bottoms are a little higher waisted and it has a flouncy top. For me, it is the perfect mix of just enough coverage and not too much coverage, so I feel awesome and ready to go to the pool in Florida. I also have a cover-up that I love to wear with it. It's just white and sheer, and it has some nice little palm details. All right, next up, we are going to be going to dinner at the boathouse. So I have this scallop dress. I got these new Crocs. I love Croc sandals for Disney. These are a little nicer, so I'm excited to wear them to some nicer meals like the boathouse. And then I have this reversible mask. I'm going to be wearing the star side. I got these really cute pearl dangly earrings. Fancy it up a little bit. And then my maskless is this gold chain. And this mask is a little short for me, so I got this extender, which works really nice. And finally, we have our ears. Got these on Etsy. Same magic band as last time. And then my bag for the evening is going to be this crossbody I got off Amazon, but I'm dolling it up with Mickey and a little red puff. This Lily Pulitzer dress is one of my favorites. I've worn it on our Disney cruise. I wore it again for this trip. It is super comfortable but feels very fancy, so I love wearing it to nicer dinners like this. The mask, however, was not comfortable, and I wore it as little as I could possibly do on the trip. It just was not sitting on my face properly and made wearing it not very comfortable.
Then on Christmas Day, we are going to Epcot. So with all big park days, I got my Herschel backpack. We got our Christmas mask, and it's going to be a little chilly, which I'm not mad because I get to wear my DVC Spirit jersey, and it will be our first day of our DVC first day. Stars have aligned. And I'm going to pair it with this little corduroy skirt. I love the floral print. It feels very like German Christmas, so we're going with it. And I got that same magic band, the wreath ears, and sneakers.
So this outfit as a whole was a big departure from what I normally wear in the parks. The skirt, a little more form-fitting, was still super comfortable, and I felt totally fine wearing it around Epcot. We didn't go on any intense rides, so I may feel differently if we had gone to like Hollywood Studios and Rock and Roll roller coaster, but it totally worked for Epcot. I will also say I adore these ears, but it could be my head. They were just flopping over the entire time. So you may want to keep that in mind if you are ordering these light up wreath ears.
Then we will be at Kona Cafe for the evening. So we got those Crocs again, brand new Loungefly ears, very cute, Christmas ears. Got this plaid dress, present earrings, they're green this time, neutral mask because I want the bag and the ears to shine, same magic band, and the awesome Loungefly bag.
I probably got the most compliments on this dress, and it was just from Amazon. Super easy and comfortable. I absolutely loved it. Had a little bit longer of a sleeve, which I don't normally go for in Florida, but because it was December and in the evening, I did not feel too warm in it.
Going to Magic Kingdom on another chilly day, so we're wearing a long sleeve. Got the wreath ears, got the Christmas mask, present earrings, and I got this fun little buffalo check skirt. It's super cute. It has like frills and a bow. Then we're going to pair it with my loved Converse, and pretty sure this is going to be the only magic band we're wearing this trip, at least for the beginning.
So again, another departure. I absolutely loved this skirt. It was probably more comfortable than my Epcot skirt just because it had a little more breathing room and movement, but not too much. I think if your skirt is too short and too free-flowing, it could be an issue if there's a little wind in the parks. But I always wear some biker shorts underneath my skirt, so it just makes the overall experience super comfortable. I will also say I wore my Adidas sneakers here, and these are so comfortable. I absolutely love these in the park, so much so that I would probably buy another pair. And finally, I wore my Mickey Spirit jersey mask that I ended up purchasing the night before. And this mask was so comfortable. I would highly recommend any of the Spirit jersey masks to anyone looking to purchase a mask inside the parks.
Then at night we're going to Topolino's Terrace, so I have a nice dress, little damask print. Got that same ear magic band and earrings combo. We've got our sparkle mask, and then for the first time ever, heels in Disney. It's only because I'm going to walk downstairs to the restaurant. And our crossbody with Mickey Mouse.
Another first, I'm wearing heels in Disney, just in my resort. I really like this outfit. I totally would never go even beyond having to walk down the hall and go up an elevator after walking the parks all day, but it worked for this very specific dining experience, and I really enjoyed wearing something a little extra fancy. We ended up bopping over to Magic Kingdom later that evening, so I just threw on my Christmas snack Spirit jersey. I always throw a couple extra things in my bag just in case we happen to do an unplanned trip somewhere and I want to have an outfit for that trip and feel comfortable. And don't the ears look so awesome at night with the castle? Another outfit I totally neglected to put in, I think because this was in the washer the morning we were leaving. So it's just a throwback shirt that my family and I wore back in 2014. And I got this long sleeve, super soft, flyaway style cardigan, and it ended up being great because it was a little cooler in the morning, so it was the perfect amount of coverage I needed to stay perfectly tempered in Animal Kingdom.
For our dinner at the Wave, we are totally mixing it up. No more Christmas colors. We're going for this pink dress, millennial pink ears. We've got the gingerbread mask, little pink tree earrings, so touch of Christmas. Got our Crocs, finally a new magic band, millennial pink, and swapped out our Mickey for Minnie, and she has a blush palm.
This dress was super fun and easy. It did not photograph very well, but it was just a nice, comfortable outfit to wear for dinner at the Wave. And it looks awesome with my new Loungefly backpack.
Next up, we are in Hollywood Studios. Got my Herschel bag, my jean shorts, nude mask, rose gold ears, earrings and necklace. And then this is a shirt I made. It says Chicky Mickey Nuggies with Baby Yoda. I'm so excited to wear this, guys. And then we got our white magic band and Converse.
This may have been my favorite outfit of the trip. I just felt so in vogue in Star Wars land, and Baby Yoda on the shirt is just looking fantastic.
And at night we're going to Disney Springs, so I got this striped dress. I wore it on my honeymoon and I just love it. Got the rose gold ears, and then these little nutcrackers. I just love nutcrackers. They're one of my favorite Christmas genres. And we're gonna pair this outfit with our Crocs. And I have the Riviera magic band, which is going to match perfectly with my Riviera backpack.
This dress is just one of my all-time faves, and it was so comfortable and perfect for an evening at Disney Springs.
Now for Animal Kingdom, Herschel again. I'm doing a mock neck with these kind of safari shorts. We have some gold jewelry to pair. Nude mask. A cheetah print headband, our white magic band, and back to the Adidas.
Can we just appreciate this angle fill shot of me? This was a first for sure. I felt super comfortable in this outfit in Animal Kingdom, and I will say that mask I'm wearing was probably my favorite mask of the trip. I'm looking forward to getting a couple more for our upcoming trip that's in a few weeks from when I post this video. And I just want to stress, I always bring a jean jacket, and they help so much on those cooler days and cooler evenings and work with pretty much all of my outfits, so it's a great option to have.
Then in the evening, we're going to Homecoming. So I got my jean jacket, which I love just to have in case for cooler nights. We have the nude mask, the plaid white ears, and a pretty red polka dot dress, some gold jewelry, Crocs and magic band. Then we are back to little Mickey here with the red palm.
This dress also just so comfortable, so cute, and I actually loved pairing these sneakers with a lot of the more dresses and skirts. So again, I can't recommend these Adidas sneakers enough. They were so comfortable, so stylish. I can't wait to get another pair.
Super excited for this one. We're having brunch at Topolino Terrace. So got my Riviera ears, some gold jewelry, this really cute frilly coral dress. I have my sparkle mask, Riviera magic band, Crocs, and we got the Riviera bag.
This dress ended up being a little bit of a flop for me. It was very tent-like, and it was a breezy day, so little challenging when we wanted to take some pictures. These Croc sandals though are fantastic. I wouldn't use them for a long day in the parks, but they are good for like Disney Springs and maybe dinners that aren't at the resort you're staying at. because they're a little more dressy, super comfy still, but I wouldn't want to walk around World Showcase 3 times in them.
Next up, we are going to Magic Kingdom. I got my Adidas shoes, sparkle mask. This is actually a Small World magic band. Pink shorts. I made this Fantasyland tee. I'm really excited to wear it. Got some rose gold jewelry, millennial pink ears, and the trusty old Herschel.
Another super comfortable outfit. These shorts are from Old Navy and I have them in all different colors. They're super comfortable. I love wearing them in the parks, especially because they're not too short, so they have some good leg coverage on them without being Bermuda shorts.
For New Year's Eve, we got the Herschel again, my Converse, some of my favorite accessories, and then I made this Disney like there's no midnight. It's for New Year's Eve. Got my rose gold ears and pairing with white shorts.
Another comfy tee and shorts. So this is an easy peasy outfit for New Year's Eve.
And for New Year's Eve, we are going to Chefs de France. It's coming up blue, but this is actually a really nice, pretty teal color dress. I got some fun clips and my mini ears in rose gold for earrings. And then I got my mask over here. Sparkly mask is winning the trip, it looks like. My gold Crocs, which I might sprinkle in a little bit more. And then we got the blush palm mini with our white magic band.
And then later on in the day, I ended up not wearing the outfit I planned for New Year's Eve. I got this Riviera dress, which I absolutely love. It was a great choice for a lightly breezy Florida evening.
And the last morning, we're going to Hollywood Studios. So in honor of Minnie and Mickey's Runaway Railway, I made this Minnie Mouse shirt to go with my polka dot shorts, Converse. I have a pink mask and I might mix in a little bit more millennial pink ears, magic band, rose gold jewelry, and the Herschel.
Another super comfy outfit. I love these shorts. Again, they're a little bit longer, but they have kind of the ruffled bottoms. I wore them at the Halloween party, but I was excited to totally do something different with this Minnie Mouse shirt.
And our final look, my tried and true. I've worn this outfit, I think, on at least 3 trips now. I absolutely love it. If you haven't seen it before, you know the Herschel, the millennial pink ears, all those accessories. But this is from LuLaRoe. I was gifted this from my aunt. And it has such cute mini leggings to go with it.
Thank you so much for watching. I want you to comment below and tell me what was your favorite outfit that I packed for the trip. We'll see you real soon. Peace, love, and Kwaherini.